Factoring a trinomial with leading coefficient 1. A trinomial of the form x squared plus bx plus c can be written in the factored form as x plus p times x plus q, where p and q is equal to c and p plus q is equal to b. Now, if we're given a trinomial in the form where we have a leading coefficient of 1 and only 1, we can factor it by the following. We're going to list the factors of c, find p and q, which is a pair of factors of c with the sum of b, and then write the factored expression x plus p times x plus q. So in example number 2, we want to factor x squared plus 2x minus 15. Now notice that in standard form, we know that we have a x squared plus bx plus c. Now again, this is when the value of a is equal to 1. So we have x squared plus 2x minus 5. Now I want you to notice that we need to find a value of c. Well, the value of c in our problem is negative 15. So we're going to create an x and put negative 15 at the top. And then what we're going to do is then we're going to figure out what the value of b is. Well, the value of b is 2, so we're going to put that here. And then over here, what we're going to ask ourselves is, okay, we need to come up with two numbers. Then when we multiply them together, it's going to give us negative 15. Then when we add them together, it's going to give us a positive 2. So we need to figure out what are all the combinations of 15. And one way of doing that is that we can take the prime factorization of 15, especially when those numbers get a little bit larger. So if we want to find out, okay, if we take 15, now what is the prime factorization of 15? Well, we can look at 3 and 5. Okay, now 3 times 5 doesn't give us negative 15, so therefore that wouldn't work. But then we have to figure out different signs. Well, what do we have to multiply together to get positive 2? Well, negative 3 times 5 gives us negative 15. When we add them together, it gives us a positive 2. And therefore, we can write our answer as x minus 3 times x plus 5. And then we can check our work by multiplying, by either using FOIL, the distributive method, or the box method to confirm that when you multiply them together, it's going to give you x squared plus 2x minus 15.